What if I told you that learning data analytics could take just 29 hours and completely change your career? Let's break down exactly what you need to know. Every company today drowns in data. They need people who can make sense of it. Data analysts earn great salaries and remote work is common. This isn't just a skill, it's a superpower. In 2025, demand is higher than ever, and you don't need a PhD to start. This 29-hour course covers fundamentals first, what data is, why it matters, basic statistics. Then you'll learn Excel, the bread and butter. Finally, visualization tools like Power BI or Tableau. No complex coding required. Real-world projects ensure you graduate job-ready, not just certificate-ready. Wowzers Z Fall World. Dedicate 5-6 hours per week for 6 weeks. Start with fundamentals, then practice datasets. Don't skip hands-on projects. They're your portfolio. Take notes, join communities. Most importantly, stay consistent. Learning analytics isn't a sprint. It's building confidence through repetition and real applications. Start today. Pick a course platform offering this beginner-friendly track. Choose one that matches your pace. Build a portfolio project immediately after. Your future employer won't care about certificates. They'll care about what you can actually do with data. Ready to master data analytics. Subscribe for more IN Tech tutorials. Drop a comment. What excites you most about data analytics? Drop a comment.